welcome to my channel. Why am I wearing hanbok right now? Because today is a Chuseok, which is the biggest holiday in Korea. So I'm gonna make a holiday food today. It is called 동그랑땡 in Korean. 동그랑 means circle and 땡 means coin. It is exactly as big as coin, so that's why it is named after it. This is gonna be a lot of work, but it is worth making it. So if you're ready, let's get started. In 동그랑땡, many kinds of vegetables are required. I'm gonna put an onion first because it is better to fry at the beginning. I'm gonna put onion in a grinder and finally chop them up. And oil the pan and stir them in a medium heat for 3 minutes. Vegetables like carrot and onion takes time to be done, so that's why we fry them first. Put them in a bowl on a ground pork. Slice the carrot and also put them inside a grinder. And oil the pan and stir them in a medium heat for 3 minutes. The moisture in a carrot will be evaporated. Also, place them on a bowl with an onion and pork. Cool them down for 30 minutes or more. Slice the mushroom as small as carrot or onion. Mushrooms are so fragile, so it is better to cut by myself. You already know that I usually use shiitake mushroom, but you can use any kinds of mushroom if you want. I just like the flavor of shiitake mushroom, and it is very common in Korea. And cut the stem of red chilies and remove the seed inside. And slice them like a mushroom. You may worry that it'd be really spicy if I put this much red chilies inside. It is just for a color play. And slice the chives like other vegetables as well. I think it is the easiest part of making 동그랑땡. And I'll smash the tofu by using hands. Put a tofu on a cotton pad and squeeze them very hard. Then, water will come out at the bottom. When you put a tofu inside a mixture, it'll get softer. And before I put a tofu inside, I'm gonna mix all the vegetables using hand. Put a tofu that we made before. And I'm gonna put a garlic, salt, and flour. I'm not gonna put a soy sauce when I make a 동그랑땡 because it'll get too sticky at the end. Remember that you have to season them with a salt all the time. And mix them all together until everything's combined. Put 50 grams of flour and 50 grams of potato starch at the same time. Mix them using a whisk. Then separate them for 20 grams each. And heat them on your palm. The reason why I'm doing this is to remove the air inside. If I do this, it won't get fluffy when I fry them in an oil. And make it look like a coin. Coat the mixture with a flour. Crush 5 eggs and sprinkle a pinch of salt. Whisk them all together until everything's combined. Strain them using a net. It is very bothersome doing this part, but cooking is all about details. Put a flour-coated mixture inside an egg. Oil the pan and put them inside one by one. Put extra amount of oil. When you make a better food, you're gonna use an ample amount of oil, and that's why it is called holiday food. And then flip them to the other side. Fry them 2 more minutes and flip them to the other side. Fry them 2 more minutes until it gets golden brown. Leave them on a kitchen towel to remove an oil inside. I'm gonna try them with a soy sauce. It is so tender, and I love the combination of vegetable and pork. Please hashtag my recipe in your Instagram or Twitter, and hope you spend a happy holiday with your family. See you next time. Bye bye.